of Design Ethos, a next gen creator.
Hey guys, I'm Sonia. Let's start today. So basically, I am into design, UX, UI, product design. I've been a designer since last 12 years. I've worked with companies like Amex and many other. 2 years back, I understood that the industry is changing. All the skills are changing. So I took a leap and took a break and went to London. I studied UX there, product designing there. When I was learning there, I understood one thing, that to grow, I need to kind of change. I need to change what's happening right now as a designer. We designers, or I think you guys also paying lakhs of money to learn or to get a degree, and later on the jobs are really less, and you're not getting as paid as you want. So from there, I got this idea to build this app, this product, this website that I've been creating last 6 months. I've got few designers on board right now. So my point being is that my thinking was important when I was building this. So when I'm talking about thinking, let's just break it down for a normal student like you. How many of you think? What are you guys thinking after completing the degree? I would say, what are you guys looking forward to, if I may know? Are you guys confused? What to do next? How many of you are confused? Great. So I would say 80% students are confused of what to do next, right? So when 80% of people are confused, so the problem is not you guys, it is the way of thinking, it is the way of doing things right now till now. So I would say what I did was that I looked into the problems that were happening around me, right? I was seeing that I'm spending too much money, and what will happen next? I mean, I've spent it say about 50 lakh rupees in London last year. And when I was applying for jobs, I was getting similar kind of jobs, Amex, MasterCard, these kinds of companies, and they were approximately giving me 22 lakh rupees a month, which was not that good of money if I calculate. So about 2.5 to 3 lakhs rupees a month. I mean, for you guys, I'm sure you're starting out, it's a good money, but I have been into the industry more than 14 years, so you want that development later on. Eventually, you want things to grow, but that doesn't essentially happen. So where I started was thinking about the solution, thinking about what can be done differently other than just following whatever was happening. So as an entrepreneur is not basically creating a company, right? It is about taking an initiative, seeing what the problem is right now and solving it by your means, by how you wanted to change. So I would say just take an initiative, think about what's happening around you and what is mostly you're irritated with something, right? You might be just irritated with a very simple thing, that is okay. See how many other peoples are also getting irritated. So asking the right questions also is the second thing, I would say. Not just creating, not just seeing the problem, but also asking the questions like how many users are actually being hurt by this problem, and how can you solve it, how can you make it better. So starting small, but asking different questions, coming to that step where you can solve that problem, and actually solve that problem in the smallest way, maybe in just a group of friends that you are doing. Maybe not just creating the whole app right now, creating a small free website or anything the solution wants, any product the solution wants. So I would say degrees are very important. It is where you grow, where you start. It gives you an edge where you can but when you go beyond means, I would say, when you are just not doing what is told to you, but thinking more around it. Of course, creating content, as ma'am said, is very important. Uh, if I would be in your age, I would have started creating content. I mean, at that time it was not there, but yes, today you can create your own page and you can create your own personal branding. So whatever you're doing, whatever you're learning, whatever you're thinking, start putting it in one blog. Or if you're not happy with the camera like me, I'm very uncomfortable around camera. So but then I write blogs. This app that I'm talking, it's a complete ecosystem for designers. It's basically it's an end-to-end solution. So when the user logins, they tell their goal to the application that for example, I want a job in certain company. So the app tells you that you need to do these courses first, you get these certifications, and then you create your own portfolio on the application, create your own CV, and understand the impact that the CV and the portfolio will be giving, and then you can apply to the jobs itself. So it's a complete. So this was my solution to my problem that I was seeing all across last 10 to 15 years that I've been into the industry. So just don't do what your degrees are telling you to do. Think beyond it and do accordingly. I think that's my time. Thank you so much, guys. I hope I was helpful to you in some ways. If you got any questions, I'll be around.